Welcome. The topic of this lesson is Linear Inequalities 2. Lesson duration remains 5 minutes. Let's see our lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Understand greater than or equal to statements. 2. Understand less than or equal to statements. 3. Represent linear inequalities on a number line. Let us now proceed. Suppose, in a certain town, a man cannot marry unless he is at least 30 years. This statement means two things. A. He has to be 30 years before he can marry. B. He has to be more than 30 years before he can marry. Now, these two statements can be written together symbolically using the greater than or equal to symbol. So, let M represent the man. Therefore, M is greater than or equal to 30. Let us see another example. Example 1. Write in symbolic form the statement. In the next 10 years, John will be at least 30 years old. Solution. Let Y represent John's age now. Writing the two statements in symbols, we have A. Y plus 10 equals 30. B. Y plus 10 is greater than 30. This will then give us Y plus 10 is greater than or equal to 30. That's very good. Now, let us discuss less than or equal to statements. Suppose, for a certain school, students should be at most 18 years. This statement means two things. A. A student should be less than 18 years. B. A student should be 18 years. Now, these two statements can be written together symbolically using the less than or equal to symbol. So, let S represent the student. Therefore, S is less than or equal to 18. Let us see another example. Example 2. Write in symbolic form the statement. No book in the shop costs more than 12 naira. Solution. Let C represent cost of book. Writing the two statements in symbols, we have A. C equals 12 naira. B. C is less than 12 naira. This will then give us C is less than or equal to 12 naira. That's brilliant. Let us now represent linear inequalities on a number line. A number line is a line running from left to right, horizontally, having numbers shown on it. Notice how numbers are arranged on the left and on the right sides of the line. Now, a number on the left is always less than the number on the right. For example, -5 is less than 1, and -8 is less than -2. Also, a number on the right is always greater than a number on the left. For example, 2 is greater than -3, and -1 is greater than -4. Let us see further examples of representing linear inequalities on a number line. Example 1. Let's represent x is greater than 5 on the number line. This means that x is greater than all the numbers greater than 5 except 5. To show this, the little circle on top of the number 5 is left unshaded. Example 2. X is greater than or equal to 3. This means that x is greater than or equal to all the numbers greater than 3, including 3. To show this, the little circle on top of the number 3 is shaded. Example 3. X is less than -1. This means that x is less than all the numbers less than -1, except -1. To show this, the little circle on top of the number -1 is left unshaded. And finally, example 4. X is less than or equal to 5. This means that x is less than or equal to the numbers less than 5, including 5. To show this, the little circle on top of the number 5 is shaded. That's amazing! Now, pause this video, copy these assignments, and solve them in your notebook. In summary, we have learned the following in this lesson. 1. How to interpret greater than or equal to statements. 2. How to interpret less than or equal to statements. And 3. How to represent linear inequalities on a number line. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next lesson. Thanks, and goodbye.